So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about AGR case which is present on the telecommunication companies. Mainly we'll focus on Reliance Communications. So we know that on Friday the Supreme Court hiring is again postponed to, that is 17th August on Monday. So the final decision will be taken on Reliance Communications as well as on the Vodafone Idea about the how much time is required to pay the AGR dues, that is for Vodafone Idea. So one important thing happened yesterday on Friday is that the Supreme Court has given shock to Reliance Jio. So we know that Reliance Jio, what it has been doing, it has been using the spectrum of Reliance Communications since 2016. So you can say almost from 4 years it has been using the spectrum of Reliance Communications. So Supreme Court asked why you should not pay the dues of Reliance Communication. So it also told that since you are generating revenue from the spectrum of Reliance Communication, so you are liable to pay the AGR dues. So this was the statement which was given by Mr. Justice Misra ji. So he told that definitely you need to pay the AGR dues. So if it continuously stresses on that particular topic, then definitely it will be a trouble for Reliance Jio. So on this particular note, on Friday also the market has corrected on a factor that Reliance will start falling. So we know that if Reliance will start correcting, then definitely all the stocks will start falling. So on Monday it will be very interesting. On other note, we can also see that Reliance Jio has also told that we were paying the, we can say, amount to Reliance Communication in terms of cycles. So they also provided equal statements that we were also paying the dues. But the big question is, where is the amount going? So that is the big game which is happening. So definitely if Supreme Court takes a strict a warning or action, and definitely all these telecom communications will be in trouble. So Reliance Communications, it said that definitely if Reliance Jio starts paying the AGR dues, then definitely it will benefit the Reliance Communication. So we know that almost the AGR due on Reliance Communication is almost around 25,000 crores. So already Reliance Communication is having this particular AGR due and also having a NCLT case. So totally if we mix the amount, that is if we add, it is almost 75,000 crore that Reliance Communication needs to pay to be completely free. So that is a very huge amount as compared to other telecommunication companies, whether it may be Vodafone Idea as well as Bharti Airtel. So they are having very less, that is almost around 25 to 30 crores. Okay. So this was the major updates that happened on Friday. So on 17th, that is on Monday, it will be very interesting. So definitely I will update everything if any further news comes. And we also know that Vodafone Idea has also told the Supreme Court that it will definitely pay the AGR dues, and it has asked a stipulated amount of time period, that is almost 15 years. So we can see that Supreme Court is majorly focusing on companies which are in insolvency, that is bankruptcy, because the amount of dues which have to be recovered from them is very high. So either it may be Videocon, Aircel, so we can say that almost they are in insolvency only. So that's why Supreme Court is focusing mainly on them. So if Supreme Court says that definitely if Reliance Jio needs to pay the we can say the AGR dues of Reliance Communication, then definitely it will be very shocking for Mukesh Ambani. So now the decisions on Monday will be very crucial. So definitely you can watch that and also update in the next videos. So we can see that Jio itself has cleared its own AGR. You can see almost of 195 crore. That is the own Reliance Jio which has been cleared. So if this additional, that is the Reliance Communications, if it again increases, then definitely Reliance Jio should pay that, because the Supreme Court sincerely told that the spectrum belongs to public property, and if you are generating the revenue from that, then definitely you should also pay the dues of the particular company. So that is what the Supreme Court has told, and definitely it's very interesting and need to watch on Monday. So now we'll focus on the basic technicals and we'll see how Reliance Communication has given movement. So you can see it has excellently obeyed the moving averages and it has taken support at that particular level. So people who are invested, so what they can do, so you can see that fundamentally it's not a great stock. So currently it's in a trouble situation, but if the dues will be cleared, so on that note only the stock has shown some movement. Okay, if we see the volume analysis of Reliance Communications, you can see almost 100% deliveries were seen since many days. But if you compare with 1 week as well as 1 month, you can see the percentage of traded quantity has been completely reduced and only deliverable quantity was seen. So you can see even in buying order how many lakhs of shares will be there and how many crores of shares will be still in pending. So that much amount of volume is being generated. So this is completely a game. Okay, so to trap the retailers or to generate money within short term, so we need to find out, the Supreme Court definitely will try to find out what is actually happening with the money or the dues which even the Jio is also paying. So it will be very interesting, so we need to see that as well. So apart from that, you can see even the stock was continuously hitting lower circuits, but suddenly after this Supreme Court hearing, it has again we can say shown a movement. Okay, we are back to the technical charts. On technical chart, this is the 1 day chart. So you can see current market price of Reliance Communications is almost 2.35 and it has given upper circuit on Friday. So the green color one is the 50 EMA and the red color one is the 20 EMA. So you can see how well, okay, it has obeyed the 50 EMA and it has shown a retracement. So we can't completely, okay, depend on technicals right now. So Monday, whatever happens, so that will reflect on this particular telecommunication stocks, whether it may be Vodafone Idea or Reliance Communication. So I particularly prefer Vodafone Idea because on upper hand, it's the company is very confident that it will definitely clear the dues. When compared to Reliance Communications, now currently it is facing a little trouble. But if Reliance Jio pays the dues, then definitely we can say some further movement may be seen in the particular stock. Okay, so you can see that the next immediate resistance for this particular stock is around 2.53, which is the 20 EMA. So whatever happens, so definitely on that only the stock price will have a movement. And other than that, if you see money flow index, you can see it's completely in mid range. So it's neither in oversold nor in overbought. So whenever it goes to oversold, retracement comes, and whenever it goes to overbought, again it falls back. So that is the basic principle. So this is what is about the technicals of Reliance Communications. So we'll also discuss about Vodafone Idea, so that is also very important, and we'll also see what will be the next possible levels of it. So in previous videos also I've uploaded about the best penny stock as well as positional stocks, so do watch them as well, and also intraday stocks I'm uploading. So I'll upload continuously in the coming sessions as well, so that you can have an idea. So do watch them if you're interested, and definitely if you're new to the channel, you can definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.